In the last video, I showed you how you can use Speedment to create a Maven project and connect to a database and start generating code. And this time we're going to write our application. So where we left off, we had all of these packages that have been created by Speedment automatically. So this time we're going to go into an empty main file and we're going to establish a connection to the database. And we do that using a builder pattern. And Speedment has generated these classes already for us, and they are named after the name of the database. So since my database is called Sakila, the name of my builder will be Sakila Application Builder. Next, I need to enter the credentials for my database, since this is not stored anywhere. So I'm going to write with username, and then specify root, and then with password, and then password. And then to finalize this, I'm going to write build. So since we're going to need this instance, I'm going to create a local variable and call it app. Next, the Sakila database is a test database for MySQL databases, and it contains a lot of films and actors and so on. So to test our connection, let's list all of the films in the database. So I do that by accessing the film manager. So I write app, get or throw, and then film manager. We can create a local instance by saying films. And now that I have my manager, let's create a stream over all the films. So I write films.stream. And then I can just say, for each film, I want to print them out, system out. So if we run this, we can see if it works. And it starts printing out all of the films here. So next, if we were only interested in some of the films, we can filter the stream by specifying a predicate. And Speedment generates a lot of predicate builders automatically, which makes it easy to see what columns are available and so on. So I can just write film with capital F, and then I can see all of the columns that are available. So for an example, I can take the title, and I can see what operations are available, and it has a contains ignore case. So let's use that, and say that I'm only interested in films containing the word wonderful. Now if we run it again, only 2 films are returned. And the great thing with this is that at first it looks like this pulls the entire films table into the local client and then filter it client side. But this is actually turned into a single SQL query that is being resolved in the database. So it's a very efficient way of writing database applications. So that's all for this video, and in the next video I'm going to show you a little bit more you can do with these streams. So stick around.